My dear students, as I have told you in the first part, and the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we will take in the second part. Now, today I am going to discuss with you the second part of the fifth chapter of 10th class, that is arithmetic progression. My dear students, here we will take some question from NCERT book, and we will solve those questions with the help of this formula. We have to find out the terms, and this formula is used to find out the terms of AP series. Now, first question. Now, first question. Determine AP. Determine AP series. Determine AP series whose third term is 5. Whose third term? Whose third term is 5. And seventh term. Seventh term is 9. As students, we have discussed in the first part, how will you find out the terms? Third terms. According to the question, a plus 2d is equal to 5. A plus 6d is equal to 9. This is the third term. This is the seventh term. And you can say A3, A7. We have read in the second part. So, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. We have learned the solution of these equations earlier in different classes. So, find out the solution of these equations. We have to find out A and D. Now, add the now subtract these two equations, minus, minus and minus. Cancelled. Minus 6d is minus 4d. Minus 6 and plus 4. 4 minus 4d. Minus 9 plus 5. Minus 4. And d is equal to 1. Now taking first equation, a plus 2d is equal to 5. By putting the value of d in first, 2 into 1 is equal to 5. And a plus 2 is equal to 5. And a is equal to 5 minus 2. And a is equal to 3. This is the second value. And this is the first value. As in the equations, linear equations, we have already studied that how will you find out the value of x and y. In and these two equations are given a and d. There is no difference. So, by subtracting these two equations, by eliminating method, which method I have applied? Eliminating method. First of all, I eliminate a. Then by putting the value of d in first, we get the value of a. Now, we have a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 1, and we will form a AP series. And what is AP? General form A plus D, a plus 2d and a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form. And a is equal to 3 and a plus d, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 into 1 and so on. And 3, 4 and 5. This is the required AP. 3, 4, 5. This is the required AP. So, my dear student, as I have said, this formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to apply this formula to find out the terms or a or d, whatever you want, apply this formula. Now, second question. Second question. Find the 10th term of AP. Second question, find the 10th term of AP. Find the 10th term of AP. 2, 7, 12, and so on. This is AP series. And we have to find out the 10th term. 10th term means A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, from this series, A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. And what is D? D is equal to difference between A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. D is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2. By putting the value in this, A10 is equal to A is equal to 2 plus 10th term, 10 minus 1 or D is 5 is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5. 2 plus 45. 2 plus 45 is equal to 7. This is the answer. So, this is AP series and 10th term of this AP series will be 47 by this formula AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, third question. Third question is how many two-digit terms? Example or question number third. How many? Understand the language. How many two terms? How many two-digit terms? Two-digit terms. Listen to me very carefully. Two-digit terms. How many two-digit terms are divisible by 3? Are divisible by 3. This is the question. How many two-digit terms? Two-digit terms start from 10 and ends at 99. So we have to check in these two terms, in these two-digit terms, how many terms which can be divided by 3. Now write down the series, AP series. First term is 12. Two-digit term, first term is 12, which can be divided by 3. Now second term is 15. This is also can be divided by 3. And third term is 18. and last term is 99. This is AP series. Now how many terms from up to 9? We have to find out. Now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 99 last term plus A 12 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? D is equal to 15 minus 12. D is equal to 3. This is D. And A is equal to here 12. By putting these two values in the formula, A and 99 plus is equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? 3. 99 is equal to 12 plus 3N minus 3. 99 is equal to 12 minus 3, 9 plus 3N. 99 minus 9 is equal to 3N. 90 is equal to 3N. And this implies N is equal to 90 by 3. 3 divided by will divide 90 and is equal to 30. This is the answer. There will be 30 terms of 2 digits which can be divided by 3. This is the question. Now I am taking fourth question. Fourth question. Check whether, example fourth, check whether, I have taken different question, whether 301 is a term of AP, is a term of AP, is a term of AP series. 5, 11, 7, 17, 23 and so on. My dear students, this is an AP series and we have to check this term 301 will be the term of this series or not. Whether this term will be in the series anywhere, we have to check. Now write down the formula. First of all, find out A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. This is these two A and D you have to find out first. Then write down the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 301 is equal to A plus N minus 1, D is equal to 6. And here write down the value of A also. A is equal to 5. Now 301 is equal to 5 plus 6N minus 6, open the bracket. 301 is equal to minus 1 plus 6N. Here plus 5 minus 6 minus 1. 301 plus 1 is equal to 6N. 302 is equal to 6N. And this implies here, this implies 6N is equal to 302 and N is equal to 302 upon 6. N is equal to 151 upon 3. Divided by 2, both numerator and denominator, you will get this term. Nth term. This is the term in this series. But in this series, 5, 11, 17, 21. All these numbers are natural numbers and whole numbers. And this number is, what is this number? This is a rational number. And these are the natural numbers. And this rational number will not be, you will not find out in the series anywhere. So this 301 is a term of, not a term of this AP. इस AP की, इस AP series, the term 301 will not exist anywhere. So now I am taking fifth question. Fifth question. What is fifth question? Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term from the last of the, from the last. Understand the statement. From the last of the, from the last of the AP. What is AP? AP, write down here AP. What is AP? 10, 7, 4, minus 62. Here, the question is, this is the AP in order. And the question, the statement says that you have to find out the 11th term, not from here, not from here, but from there. So we have to arrange this series again. Arrange it again. Arrange it again. Now last term will be the first term, minus 62, minus 59, minus 56, and so on. This is given series, and we have reversed this series in this order. By reversing this series, you will get this series. Now you have to find out the 11th term of this series, reversed series, 11th term of this reversed series. Now here A is equal to minus 62. As I have said, first of all find out A and D is equal to minus 59 minus 62. A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 59 plus 62, and D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. A is equal to this and D is equal to this. Now apply the formula to find out the 11th term. Now 11th term. A11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A11 is equal to A minus 62 plus n11 minus 1, and what is D is equal to 3. We have find out from the reversing series, A is equal to minus 62 and D is equal to 3 from reversed series. Now A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 10 into 3. A11 is equal to minus 62 plus 30, and A11 is equal to minus 32. This is the 11th term of this series. So, what series? Minus 62, minus 59, and minus 56. And you will go so on. You will get 11th term minus 32. 11th term, 11th term will be minus 30. Go on like this, minus 56, and this minus 53, and so on. 11th term will be this of this series. So this is the fifth question. My dear students, I have taken 5 questions from NCERT book, and all the questions are of different type. In all the question you have to think what we should do. So take more question from NCERT book at your home and do yourself, so that this formula will be very, very good for you by examination point of view. So my dear students, in the last, I want to say to you, the third part I will take tomorrow, and in third part we will find out the sum of given terms. So I am making a request to you, as I have made in other parts also. I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you. Again, thanks.